Creating a workflow in Flodesk allows you to automate emails and actions based on your subscribers' behaviors, such as signups or interactions. Here's how to set up a workflow. Log into Flodesk. Sign into your Flodesk account. Navigate to Workflows. From the dashboard, click on Workflows in the left sidebar under the Automation section. Create a new workflow. Click on Create New Workflow to start. You'll be prompted to choose a trigger for the workflow, like when someone subscribes to your email list, completes a form, or clicks a specific link in an email. Set up the trigger. Choose the action that will trigger the workflow. For example, you can select when someone subscribes to a form or when a tag is applied. Design your workflow steps. After setting the trigger, add actions like sending an email, waiting for a set time, adding tags, or sending another email. Use the Add Action button to create multiple steps. You can create a series of emails, a thank you message, or an upsell offer. Test and activate. Once your workflow is designed, preview it and test the steps to ensure everything works. When ready, click Activate to set it live.